How can just me or only you see your following list on your TikTok account? Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok, then open it. After this, when your TikTok is open, and you will just go down here on your profile, open your profile. Then when your profile is open, you will just go here on this three line at the top of the screen, then go to settings and privacy, and then on settings and privacy you will go to privacy, then you will just go down to following list, then you will click on it. Then now you can choose who can see your following list. You will say only me, like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and if you have any question you can write it down in comments, and see you next